Is your business idea ready? Most ideas fail not because they're bad, but because they were never tested. Before you invest time, money, or energy, you need to know, does anyone actually want this? Start with the problem, not the product. What pain are you solving? What frustration are you removing? If you can't name a clear problem, your idea might be a solution looking for a problem. Talk to real people. Not just friends or family. Go to the market, the street, the cafe. Ask 10 to 20 people, what's something you wish was easier, cheaper, or better? Listen carefully. Don't pitch. Just listen. Their answers will guide you better than any business plan. Once you've spotted a real need, build the smallest version of your idea. This is your minimum viable product. If you want to open a bakery, start with 5 loaves and sell them from your doorstep. If you want to launch a cleaning service, offer it to one neighbor and ask for honest feedback. Keep it simple. Keep it cheap. Keep it fast. Now get real feedback. Not compliments. Ask your first customers, would you pay for this again? What didn't work? What would you change? Their answers are your blueprint. If they hesitate, dig deeper. If they're excited, you're onto something. Selling is the ultimate validation. If people aren't willing to pay, the idea isn't ready. Don't fall in love with your concept. Fall in love with solving problems. Avoid common mistakes. Don't build the full business before testing. Don't rely on praise from people who won't be your customers. Don't ignore pricing, demand, or competition. Never assume, always test. Validation isn't a one-time event. It's a mindset. Test small, learn fast, and grow smart. That's how real entrepreneurs build businesses that last. Are you testing your idea? Share your experience. And stay tuned for the next lesson.